Hello everyone, today in Sangee's Cookery we are going to see how to prepare different varieties of sevai. So sevai is called as the rice noodles and it is also called as the string hoppers. So basically the noodles which is prepared with rice and then which is steamed is nothing but the sevai. We have actually seen this particular recipe in the idiyappam video, but today to make it more interesting, I am going to show you different varieties what we can prepare with sevai. Instead of preparing it plain, when you are going to add different flavors, it is definitely going to add to the taste. So we are going to see different varieties of sevai today. Let's see how we can prepare it. Today I am going to take this corn-curd pure rice sevai. According to me, this particular brand comes out very well. There are even other brands available in the market. So whichever sevai is available in the market, you can use that. The instructions are given on the back side of the packet. Because few brands says only 2 minutes, a few brands requires about 5 minutes. So it all depends on the texture of the noodles. Now in the boiling water I have added the instant rice noodles and this is completely immersed in the hot water. I am going to cover it and keep it for about 3 to 5 minutes depending on the instructions which is given in the packet. So first I have added some coconut oil. I am adding mustard seeds. First we are going to do the seasoning. So I am just adding some urad dal. I am adding some chana dal. I am adding 2 teaspoons of urad dal, 2 teaspoons of chana dal and 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. This seasoning is good for 2 types of flavored sevai. Once the mustard seeds begin to splatter and the dals have also turned light brown in color. Now I will be adding the green chilies as well and some curry leaves and some coriander leaves. I am going to give a nice mix. So I have also added some cashew as a seasoning. So let's fry all this until this cashew turns light brown in color. In a bowl I have transferred some curds and I have added some salt to it and I am going to add some of the seasonings. I am just going to add the prepared sevai in the curd. I am just going to mix this. So this is nothing but the curd sevai we have. We can also top this with a little bit of pomegranate. So it's going to be really tasty and especially during summer this is going to be really useful. So the next seasoning we are going to do is for the coconut sevai. For that I am just going to add some grated coconut in the seasoning. I'm just going to fry. What I've done is I've prepared the seasoning for more and I've kept it in a plate. So it will be easier for us to prepare different varieties of sevai. So I'm just going to add some salt and mix this nicely. Now finally I'm just going to add some coriander leaves and our coconut sevai is ready. So the next sevai variety will be usli sevai. So in the seasonings, we will be adding the prepared parupu usli. Video for how to make this parupu usli is already given in the suggested videos. You can look into that. This will also give you a very good taste and it is high in protein. So I will be adding some of the prepared usli. This is a very different kind of a sevai. I have added this in the seasonings and we will be adding the prepared sevai in this. You can garnish this with some coriander leaves. Now you can see the usli sevai is prepared. I am just going to transfer this to the serving bowl. Now again to the prepared seasoning, I am just going to add a little bit of grated ginger. To this I am adding some chopped vegetables, some finely chopped carrots, beans and some green capsicum. Also going to add a little bit of turmeric powder and some salt. We can also sprinkle some amount of water and let the vegetables cook. You can cover this and cook for a few minutes till the water gets absorbed. A simple tip which I want to share here is if you want you can even add some finely chopped onions and ginger garlic paste and 1 tomato and sprinkle a little bit of garam masala also. That will give you a different flavor. Just going to add little bit of salt, some coriander leaves for final garnishing. And now we'll transfer this to the serving bowl. So now we're going to do the pepper and jeera sevai. For that, what I've done is I've taken half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of jeera, and I'm just going to grind this. So I'm just going to add a teaspoon of the pepper and jeera mix. This is according to your spice level you can add. I'm also going to add some salt in the pepper and jeera sevai. Sevai also will have a very different flavor. So now we're going to prepare the lemon sevai. I've added the seasoning and I'm adding a little bit of turmeric powder in the oil so that slightly it gets fried. Going to add some salt. I'm also adding little bit of asafoetida or hing for flavor, just about quarter teaspoon. So finally, after switching off the gas, I'm adding a tablespoon of lemon juice. Finally, garnish with this coriander leaves. Finally, we're going to prepare the tamarind sevai. I'm going to add the prepared puliyodare paste. The puliyodare paste also I have prepared it in the previous videos. You can look into that. Just going to lightly fry it and then add the sevai. Give it a mix. Since there is already some amount of salt in the goju, I'm just adding slightly. Now we'll be transferring this as well to the serving bowl. Now we are going to prepare ellu sevai. Ellu sevai, in other words, is called as the sesame seeds sevai or the til sevai. I have taken 1 teaspoon of black til, 1 red chilli, 1 teaspoon of urad dal. We are going to dry roast all the 3. At this stage, I am just going to transfer all the 3 ingredients in the mixie and I am going to powder it. So now we're going to do the seasoning. I've taken 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of groundnuts, some curry leaves, some hing and a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Now we have heated the coconut oil. I'm adding a teaspoon of mustard seeds. I'm also going to add the urad dal, chana dal and the groundnuts. In this I'm going to add the slit red chilli. I'm also adding quarter teaspoon of hing or the asafoetida, few curry leaves. Finally, we are adding the ground mix of the roasted til, red chilli and urad dal. Quarter teaspoon of jaggery powder. This will actually give a very good taste for the til sevai, but this is optional. Adding some salt. In the similar manner, you can prepare ellu sadam or the til rice. So instead of the sevai, you will be adding the cooked rice. That will also be another variety dish which will be very tasty. The very tasty and yummy ellu sevai is prepared to be served. So now I have prepared the different varieties of sevai. So this is the Parippu usili sevai, which is the protein rich sevai. Thair sevai or the curd sevai. If you're going to have it after some time, I would suggest that you add at least half a cup of milk so that it doesn't become sour. So this is the puliyodare sevai which is prepared out of the puliyodare goju, and this is the coconut sevai or the tenga sevai which is prepared out of the grated coconuts. This is the lemon sevai prepared out of the lemon juice. This is the pepper jeera sevai. This is the mixed vegetable sevai. So I have prepared around 7 varieties of sevai. So if you have a sweet tooth, you can prepare a sweet sevai by preparing a coconut purnam. For that, you can look into the video of how I prepared the modaks. In that, I have showed you how to prepare the coconut purnam. Prepare the purnam and add the sevai. It becomes a sweet sevai.